Okay, got a couple little Chinese locks here. This one's actually seems semi-decent. It's not, definitely not that great. This one, I don't know, similar but kind of funky keyway. Kind of like a similar Master Lock copy, but see how long they take. Actually, no, this one's not going to be long because usually I can. Yeah, there we go. Thought it should have been going. Yeah, this one's a little backwards. Yeah, this one's not much harder. Just like that. A couple Chinese locks pop right open. Homemade picks. This one I used my little half diamond that I made. Was gonna single pin pick them, but nah.